Okay, so a lot of you had some questions about how to get to the dashboard. So they have actually kind of changed how to get it there for Klein ISD, so I'm going to walk us through it. So what you're going to type in is you're going to type in kleinisd.net, okay? And what you're going to do here at the top where it says FamilyNet, that's what you, as a student, parent, any of the above, you're going to click on FamilyNet, okay? Then from here, if you are a family member and you want to look at Schoology as a parent, you can go to Schoology Families. If you are a student, you could go to Schoology Student right there. But if you need to do other things on the dashboard, you're going to go to StudentNet. Okay, StudentNet is just where you're going to go for everything. Okay, so you go to FamilyNet, then you go to StudentNet, and then it allows you to click on a few quick links here. Or if the teacher asks you to go to your dashboard, you're going to click on the green dashboard link right here. Okay, and then this will lead you to your student's dashboard. So I logged on and I am Miranda Armstrong, so it logged on to my dashboard. So this is my dashboard, but it will log on to your student's dashboard. It might have you log in as your student, and that's your student ID number. So for example, your teacher could ask you to go to Nearpod on your dashboard. Again, you're going to go to kleinisd.net. You're going to click on the teal FamilyNet button. Then it's going to take you down here. You're going to click on StudentNet and then Dashboard. Okay. As of last week, they had a dashboard button up here next to FamilyNet. I don't know if they are going to put it back. I hope they do. So it's easier for students, but as of right now, you need to click on FamilyNet, StudentNet, then Dashboard. I hope this was helpful for all of you parents and students in order to navigate and how to get to Dashboard.